There's one last thing I want to show you how to do with respect to files and folders, and that's how to actually get rid of them. So right now I can see with present working directory pwd that I am in /root/ my project. And if I do an ls, I can see all the files that are in here. And I can do something like ls./second directory if I want to, and that's going to give me the directory listing of that second directory there. And I can see that I have a customers.html file in there. So let's start by removing that. I'm going to cd down into second directory. And now I'm going to get rid of this HTML file. I could type in rm. You can remember rm is kind of short for remove. So we're going to remove the file. And then we need to tell it what file. So we're going to type in customers.html. It's the only thing here. And now when I do ls, there's nothing there. So that's pretty easy. Let's go up a folder. And now we've got our second directory there with nothing in it. So how do we get rid of a directory? If we just type in rm second directory, it's going to say you can't remove that because it's a directory. So rm by itself only works with files. To delete the directory, we're going to have to use a command line switch, rm-r. R pretty much always means recursive. It doesn't matter what command you're in. If there's an R there and you have no idea what it does, you can usually effectively guess that it's a recursive flag. So what does that mean? Recursive means that it's going to go down into the subfolders of this directory and remove everything that's in there as well. So let's try this out, rm-r, and then we need to give it the name, second directory. And this time it didn't complain, and we can see that the folder is actually gone. Let's try it again. Let's get rid of the My Project folder entirely. Let's go up a folder, and let's do rm-r My Project. And we can see that the whole thing is gone. So we've effectively cleaned up after ourselves. I mentioned early on that we generally don't put things in the root folder. And later on, we won't even be logging in as root. We'll be logging in as an unprivileged user. But that's future talk. This pretty much wraps up everything that I wanted to show you in terms of basics with respect to the command line in Linux. So now you know how to get around, you know how to create and edit files, you know how to get rid of files and directories. You're ready to start looking at how to actually install your web server software. If you found value in this video, if you learned something new, help me out with a like and subscribe. For more videos on software development and DevOps from a developer's perspective, check us out at maddevskills.com or on Twitter @devskills.